Welcome to Natural Healthcare and Wellness. In this video we will share to you the fat-burning detox drink before bed. Losing weight during your sleep is not a thing, but what if it was? It may be difficult to believe, but this drink is really simple to create, and has been found to assist in a short period of time if consumed regularly. You can reduce your fat levels, especially your belly fat, by drinking just 1 glass of this detox juice every night. 30% of your day is spent sleeping. So if you're serious about losing weight fast, the best time to do it is in your sleep. That's why they created a revolutionary detox juice before sleeping that will detoxify you in your sleep. You will notice a difference in only a few days if you drink it every night, and then do some exercise activities for about 30 minutes after waking up. Here's a fat-burning detox drink you sip before bed to safely lose 10 pounds in 1 week. If you've been unsuccessful in your attempts to burn fat while cleansing your body, this fat-burning detox drink before bed will help you lose that stubborn belly fat in no time. Note, if you are allergic to any of the ingredients in this recipe, or are using any medications, please seek medical advice before beginning this cure. Lemons, apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, and honey make up the following detox drink, which when blended and drunk has a potent fat-burning effect on the body. Apple cider vinegar aids in the reduction of blood sugar levels, the elimination of harmful bacteria in the gut, improved digestion, and the breakdown of fat cells. Lemons, on the other hand, aid in the detoxification of the body, as well as the strengthening of the immune system, the promotion of kidney health, and the breakdown of fat cells. Honey can help you lose weight by improving your intestinal health and boosting your energy levels. Cinnamon is a natural cure for lowering high blood sugar and cholesterol levels, as well as reducing the symptoms of type 2 diabetes. This drink will be more beneficial if you drink 8 glasses of water each day while drinking it. Ingredients: apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons. Lemon juice, 2 tablespoons. Raw honey, 1 teaspoon. Ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon. Water, 1 cup of hot water. Preparation: heat the water but don't let it come to a boil, and add in all of the ingredients above. Mix well until you are left with a dissolved mixture, and consume this drink before you go to bed for 1 week. We recommend that you rinse out your mouth with water to prevent tooth erosion that is caused by the apple cider vinegar. There you go. You now know about this powerful fat-burning detox drink before bed. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and also take a moment to subscribe and click the bell button to notify you for our next video. From us, Natural Healthcare and Wellness, goodbye and see you in the next video.